I need your help. Right there. See, we got some issues right here, and only you guys can fix it by giving a sub to the channel before I get to this tournament. And I'm going to get to this tournament in like 3, 2, 1. I'm hoping the left is good, because if not, I got about 10 straight games of trios. Let's hope for a good start and a good finish and a good middle and just every game good. No pressure, but every game better be amazing.
Better shoot 300.
Better shoot 300 at least twice. They aren't easy.
I agree.
All right, well, they are impossible. We got off to a good start. Good start, 150, yeah. 190.
Not terrible, right?
I think, like, realistically, the paces are like 190s, but yeah. 150 is not the pace. 190 probably is, so. More strikes, way more spares. I need some spare lessons. Missed a couple the first game, but back on it game 2, or game 3, I guess, at this point. Back on it, more spares, more strikes. Okay, so game 3, I shot 299. I don't know where that came from or how it happened, but I should just always throw the counterattack regardless of the pattern. That's what I learned. And now we're ready for the next 7 games. So we got games 4 through 10 coming up, and we just shot 760 as a team, so we're gonna be probably in like second-ish. It's just 10 games total pins, and we gotta do some more striking and sparing here, the back 6 or 7, so time to get after it. Game 4 update, we shot 201, 7 count on the fill, but yeah, there was like a 4-frame stretch where I just didn't throw good shots. Can't afford that. Got to get back on it here and hopefully, you know, throw good shots the whole game and focus on my target the whole game instead of just like 3 frames. Back at it. Well, we're now done with 6 games. We got 4 left, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we bowled a not great game. I personally shot like 230, so I bowled a good game, but we got to get Frankie and Chris on the same page here. Hopefully we can throw some strikes and start chasing down first place. This is game 8. Game 7, I shot 226. Jesse crushed me. 253. Or 259. 259. 259. 259. But yeah, I think we're still in the cash. We gotta have a couple good games here. So hopefully more 250s and 220s. That's what we're hoping for. Well, 209 that game for me. We have 8 down, 2 to go. We should still be in second. That was a good game, good team game overall, but we're way behind first. So we need some big ones here, probably like 700s, mid 700s for the team. So hopefully we can do it as Chris goes Brooklyn. So let's get into it. I shot 300 game 9. Got lucky every single shot of that game, and team shot 700. So there's still a chance. It's just very, very small. And now Chris Greek Church, so there's no chance. One more game, time to finish second. we just got done. It's like 6 o'clock. We were bowling for like
18 million hours.
and we ended up finishing second. I personally bowled really well. I had 299, I had a 300. So I did bowl 2 really good games. We finished up the last game, I shot like 210. So I bowled really well, team bowled really well. I just wish we could have gotten lined up a little earlier and we would have had a really good shot at winning, but it was a fun tournament with Chris Forey. Yeah, fun tournament with him. And now it's time to go back home. The key was to bring in the least amount of balls. That's what happened. The less balls you bring in, the more you strike, because the less options you have. So that's my key going to the next tournament.